Imagine you're working on a project, and you encounter a problem where you need to remove the last character from the first word in a stream of strings using sed. For example, you have a string 20240801T00:48, and you want it to become 20240801T00:4. It sounds like a tricky problem, right? The solution to this problem is actually quite simple. You can achieve this by using the following sed command: echo 20240801T00:48 foo sed s. Here, the dot will match any character followed by a space, effectively targeting the last character of the first word. In the replacement part, we simply place a space, effectively removing the last character from the first word in the stream of strings. To sum it up, by using the provided sed command, you can easily remove the last character from the first word in a stream of strings. It's a neat trick that can come in handy in various scenarios. And with that, you now have a simple solution to tackle this specific problem. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring new ways to solve coding challenges. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!